my story for the day. It's called The Dot. I hope it's not backwards when this is done recording, but if that's the case, then I will make sure that I switch it tomorrow. All right, this is called The Dot. It's written by Peter H. Reynolds. All right, The Dot. Our class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. She's got nothing on that page. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm, she said. Very funny, said Vashti. I just can't draw. Look how annoyed she is, that Vashti. Her teacher smiled. Just make a mark and see where it takes you. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good, hard, strong jab. There! Look how angry she is. I like how the artist used red to show that she's angry. Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it very carefully. She pushed the paper towards Vashti and quietly said, now sign it. Vashti thought for a moment. Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name. And there she is, signing her name. The next week, when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging in her art teacher's desk. It was the little dot that she had drawn. Her dot, all framed in swirly gold. I can make a better dot than that. She opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work. Vashti painted and painted, a red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, and a blue dot. The blue dot mixed with the yellow. She discovered that she could make a green dot. Vashti kept experimenting, lots of dots in many colors. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with bigger brushes on bigger paper to make bigger dots. Vashti even made a dot by not painting a dot. She colored it to make a big white dot. At the school arts show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. Vashti noticed that little boy gazing up at her. You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. Vashti smiled and handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his first line. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle, and then she said, what do you think she said? Sign it. The end. All right. I love that book because it shows you that it doesn't take a whole lot of talent to really show that you can be creative. Just try. All you have to do is draw a line or a dot, and that's just the start of the idea that can blossom into something that's really magical. Really, really magical.